Hey, what's up? Wanted to get a quick video, quick call in, boardroom check-in, midweek, early Tuesday morning. I've had really good, it's been a really couple good days, so I have a ton to unload. There's a couple things in the pipeline, a couple new calls, a couple new stock calls, and so as I'm getting my steps in here, headed up the hill here, wanted to quickly remind you to hit the link in the description. This is the only thing I wanted to say before we get into it. Just hit that link, get yourself 6 free stocks from Webull. Takes about 2 minutes. You click the link in the description. There's a shopping cart there. There's no carts on Webull. You just deposit a penny. Within a day you'll get 6 free stocks. It takes a couple, it takes some time, but it's a no-brainer. It's the best time to buy. It could be the last good time to buy forever. We're going through a great reset. We might have bottomed out 2 weeks ago. I looked exactly a month ago on June 17th. But now is the perfect time. Just click the link super quick. I'm gonna hit the content that you came for because I got some new ones in the pipeline. So yeah, just click the link. It's 6 free stocks for a penny. It's a no-brainer. And just hit me up if you have questions on how to get that set up. Now, the content, so that was it. Now the content y'all came to see, you guys came for. Okay, so the first thing is there's a CHIPS Act coming out. It's CHIPS. It's gonna put 40 billion in the economy for chip making companies like NVDA, AMD, Intel, blah, blah, blah. So if you haven't already, buy a bunch of NVIDIA. Second reason for that is because the Pelosi's, Steve Pelosi had to file an SEC thing that says he bought an frig ton of NVIDIA. And this could pass any second now. It's Tuesday morning, 10 a.m. Pacific, 10:30 Pacific. This could pass any minute now. It's supposed to pass on Tuesday, maybe as early as Tuesday. They've said Tuesday morning. So any minute, NVIDIA and all these AMD, Intel companies gonna be popping off if they haven't already, because it's priced in. Now it's gonna start getting priced in. This $30 billion billion. So it's not even just it's not a bailout. They're just giving back to these companies what they've regulated against them. So it's kind of almost a kickback, but it's money that these companies should have gotten anyway. It's gonna make us more competitive, make our chips cheaper, hire people, build more plants, build more factories. They're getting an injection. So it's the restrictions that's been causing them to lose in the competition to China. So our IP, our original chipsets, we'll be able to make them hopefully, internally in-house and save some money and build the local companies. The NVIDIA's took a big hit, so that's one of them. So I'm looking at buying NVIDIA. Second call, I just passed this truck so you guys can hear me because this is a big one. I don't usually do this. I've thought about this one for like 3 weeks now, and I wish I said it 3 weeks ago. I wasn't sure if it was gonna connect, but I think it's connecting. I think it's resonating with people, and it's all right, folks. Here's the call. JOBY, JOBY, JOBY stock. It's flying cars. It's flying drones for people, like robotic drones for people. Electric flying cars. Located in Santa Cruz, California. The Bay Area. I think Santa Cruz. Yeah, one of those. It's like a Bay Area company. $3 billion market cap. The stock is at $5.50. So I got in a little above 5. It IPO'd about 6 months ago at 11. This stock is going to explode. JOBY, JOBY. Very bullish on it. I'm catching really good vibes with this stock. If you look at the product, you'll be blown away. It's going to solve a lot of global problems, whether it's transportation or just delivery of goods to hungry neighborhoods. So I've been sleeping on this one for a few weeks, and now I'm finally letting it out. I wish I let it out 2 weeks ago when it was still in the low 5s. It's now at like $5.50 as of July 19th. Went Tuesday, so there's still a few more hours today. You can get in on it. This is a short-term play, potential long-term play. It's a $3 billion market cap. It could get consumed by another company. Google could buy, Apple could buy. This is a company that's introducing a whole new wave of tech. Solves a lot of world problems that I've realized. You could deliver, you know, food to people that need, rescue missions, or you could just, you know, jump on a JOBY and take it, skip the traffic, you know, from Santa Monica Airport downtown, or, you know, one of those New York, you know, JFK to freaking Midtown. It's an electric helicopter basically, but it's got 7 engines. It's electric, drone style, looks super safe. It's quieter for the neighborhoods. It can fly above the streets, and it's like drone style, so human drone style. I think it could go up back to its, at least its original IPO, like back to 10. So we're looking at a double down. I would get in on it ASAP. We got another shopping cart here. I think it's for the older folks that need some help carrying their food to their, from the street to the elevator. All right, so that's it. Go down to Webull right now. Click the link. Pay yourself first before you jump on a JOBY. Own a piece of the company with me. It's $3 billion. It could get swooped up any second. Someone's gonna start bidding this up to like 10. It's a $20 billion company. It's a $50 billion industry. It's at $3 billion. Stock's at 5, half of what it was. I'm gonna leave it at that. We're getting busy, but I have a lot more thoughts. So I might check in on the way home from the gym, or I'm gonna check it later this week. But that's the board guidance. Pay yourself first. Let's do this. All right, picking up the pace up the hill. All right, peace, guys. Have a good one.